Hi, this is Brandon Blank, Project Manager with the AMA dr2dr team, and today I'm going to walk you through using the dr2dr integration within HealthQuest itself. To get started, you do have to give our support department a call or send them an email to get dr2dr set up. So you can reach them at toll-free 866-438-3762, or send an email to support@microquest.ca or even support@dr2dr.ca, or send us a message on dr2dr if you're already using it, and we'll get HealthQuest set up for you guys. Once it's set up, you can log in as usual, and you'll see a new button here at the side called dr2dr. If you click on that, it'll actually just get you to log in the first time using your dr2dr credentials. Just going to punch in the password here. We do recommend checking off Remember Me on this HealthQuest database, so you don't have to enter that every time. So hit login. We'll just punch in our two-factor verification code, the same way you would logging into the website. Log in. Great. And then once we're logged into the system, you'll see the actual dr2dr website. It looks pretty much exactly the same, except now we've got a few other options when we click on a conversation. And you can see here, this one's got Jacob Downs linked to it, and there's some extra buttons here showing up at the bottom, and an additional button here as you send a message. And this is where the HealthQuest integration really comes into play. So for a conversation that has a patient attached to it already, you can actually click on this button here to open that patient's client card. Click on that, and you'll see HealthQuest is flashing. We'll flip over here, and it opened up their client card automatically. If we switch back to dr2dr, we can also click this button and open their chart. So we'll swap back to HealthQuest, and Jacob's chart is opened right here. The following button beside it actually launches the patient in Netcare. If we click on that, out comes Netcare. I don't have Netcare set up, but that'll load the patient right up. And then the last button here is to bill the patient, and if we click on that, HealthQuest fires up and it automatically enters in our billing code for them, the 0301R, because Clark is a GP. If you're a specialist, it'll bill the 03010 for you. So that information is all right there recorded. The real benefit comes in right here when you're trying to send a message, and you can click this little attach from patient chart button. So if I click that, pop back in HealthQuest, you'll see I get this window right here, and I can actually just click show all, and I can browse through everything in the patient's charts, progress notes, referral letters, that kind of thing. So let's say we want to send this referral letter along, we'll attach that. Maybe some of these lab results, attach those, and one of these chart notes, we'll attach that as well. So we've got our 3 attachments here, we'll hit save, and HealthQuest will actually generate a PDF file. That just takes a second to send it off, and then it pop up here in dr2dr. You can see it's just scanning it, and when that's done, we'll have that PDF sit there right into dr2dr. So that's a huge time saver and a way to just send information right from HealthQuest straight into dr2dr without having to do a whole lot of extra work. So you can see here's that letter that we attached, the lab result shows up, and the printout of the charts. So really easy, really straightforward, and ends up saving you quite a bit of time. Everything else in dr2dr works exactly the same way you'd expect. If we start a new conversation and we attach patient, this is the one other nice little thing. We click that, fires up in HealthQuest. I can look up the patient that I want. Here's Monique, grab her, click OK. And then back on dr2dr, all of her demographics just come straight across right out of HealthQuest. I don't have to double enter any of that, and you can send your message off. So it should be pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, feel free to message us on dr2dr. Just add MicroQuest into the conversation, or send us an email at support@dr2dr.ca, and we're happy to help out. Thanks. Have a good day.